Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, a recipe that's sure to take your taste buds straight to heaven. We're making the mouth-watering braised beef shanks or osso buco that will leave you craving for more. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll need 2 beef shanks, each cut into 1-inch thickness. Tie them as shown to prevent them from falling apart while frying. Then generously season both sides with salt and black pepper. Next, coat these beauties in flour, ensuring they're perfectly covered on all sides. This will give our beef shanks a fantastic texture and flavor when we fry them. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, drizzle some oil generously. Once the oil is hot, gently lay these seasoned beef shanks down. We're going to sear them for about 5 minutes on each side until they're beautifully browned. In another skillet, drizzle some oil and add finely chopped onions. Sauté them until they turn tender and fragrant. Now, it's time to add in some beautiful carrots and leeks. Continue sautéing these vegetables for about 3 minutes until they start to soften. Here's where the flavors really come together. Create a little well in the middle and add minced garlic. Sauté it for just a minute until it becomes aromatic. You will find all the ingredients in the description box below. Now, let's take it up a notch. Add tomato paste, soy sauce, black pepper, and a touch of fresh thyme. Give it all a good mix, and let these flavors meld together for about 5 minutes. To complete this heavenly braise, pour in some rich beef broth. Give it a final stir, and watch how everything comes together beautifully. Now, it's time to reintroduce our beef shanks. Place them right into this luscious mixture, ensuring they're nestled in comfortably. Cover the skillet, and it's time to let the oven work its magic. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and pop this heavenly concoction in for about 2.5 hours. The slow cooking will make the beef shanks irresistibly tender and infused with flavor. And there you have it, our divine braised beef shanks. The aroma is simply intoxicating, and the taste is out of this world. This dish is sure to impress your family and friends, so give it a try and let them taste a piece of heaven. Thank you for joining us today on Heaven's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell, so you never miss a heavenly recipe like this. And always remember that good food brings good mood,